Welcome back to Next Ride Review, your go-to channel for in-depth looks at the latest rides. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Chevrolet Colorado, a midsize truck that continues to redefine its segment with style, performance, and versatility. Chevy has stepped up its game this year, bringing a balance of rugged capability and everyday usability that should catch the attention of anyone looking for a capable pickup. At first glance, the 2025 Colorado immediately impresses with its bold, athletic design. The truck features an aggressive front grille, slim LED headlights, and chiseled body lines that give it a commanding presence on the road. Whether you're navigating the urban jungle or venturing off the beaten path, this truck looks ready for anything. Plus, with multiple trims, including the work truck, LT, Z71, Trail Boss, and the off-road focused ZR2, there's a version of the Colorado tailored to suit just about every lifestyle and need. Under the hood, the 2025 Colorado continues to rely on Chevy's proven 2.7-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine. This versatile powertrain comes in 3 output levels, ranging from a solid 237 horsepower on the base trim to a powerful 310 horsepower and 430 lb-ft of torque on higher trims. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, the Colorado delivers smooth shifts and responsive performance whether you're towing, hauling, or simply commuting. And speaking of towing, this truck boasts an impressive max capacity of 7,700 pounds, making it one of the most capable in its class. Chevrolet has also paid close attention to ride quality and handling. The 2025 model offers refined suspension tuning, ensuring it's just as comfortable on long highway drives as it is tackling rugged trails. For those who crave adventure, the ZR2 trim shines with Multimatic DSSV dampers, locking differentials, and increased ground clearance, making it a serious contender in the off-road segment. Inside, the Colorado blends practicality with modern tech. The cabin is spacious, with comfortable seating for up to 5 passengers and plenty of storage options. At the center of the dashboard, you'll find an 11.3-inch touchscreen running Chevy's latest infotainment system. This setup includes standard wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with available navigation in a premium Bose sound system on higher trims. Additionally, the digital instrument cluster provides customizable displays, ensuring that you have all the information you need right at your fingertips. Chevrolet has made safety a priority, equipping the Colorado with a suite of advanced driver assistance features. Standard equipment includes automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and forward collision alert. Optional features like adaptive cruise control and a surround view camera add an extra layer of confidence, whether you're on the highway or maneuvering in tight spaces. In terms of versatility, the Colorado continues to excel. The short bed offers clever storage solutions, including tie-down points and an available tailgate storage compartment. Chevy also offers a variety of accessories, allowing you to customize your truck for work or play. With its mix of rugged capability, modern technology, and refined design, the 2025 Chevrolet Colorado sets a high bar in the midsize truck segment. Whether you're looking for a reliable workhorse, a weekend adventurer, or something in between, the Colorado delivers. That's it for today's Next Ride Review. Be sure to let us know in the comments what you think of the 2025 Colorado. Are you as impressed as we are? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest rides. See you in the next one.